Welcome back to Map TV. You're joining myself and Charlie today. Charlie's the new apprentice here. He's going to get cracked on with this. Bone stock 2015 Mustang in. We've got a few upgrades. We've got some power and some visual upgrades. Let's talk you through these. So these are the modifications that we're going to be fitting today. So we're going to start off with the visual stuff. So we've got the light package, the No More Yellow kit. We've got the pop the trunk kit. We've got a clutch spring which we're going to fit as well. The service kit. Then we're going to move on to the axle backs and finally the Steeda air intake before it goes into the dyno for tuning. But before all this, let's get a quick sound clip of the stock Mustang. So now the clutch spring mechanism's out, we've got the Steeda one to go back in. So straight away you can see them visual differences. So it's a nice easy installation. All you've got to do is split this apart like so, get rid of your old clutch spring, new one goes in, and there we are, job done. As you can see, there's a lot less to spring there, so it gives you a better clutch feel. You can modulate your clutch a little bit better, and like I say, it kind of retains that OEM feel about it, which every Mustang should have. Next thing, we've got the Steeda pop the trunk kit. So they're a nice easy installation, they go straight onto the OEM latches. So yeah, let's crack on and get these on. If you're interested in fitting this part yourself at home, we'll give you a quick run through on how to do it. It's the simplest thing in the world, you can't really go wrong. So you just need a nice little flathead screwdriver, little clip here, you can see the indentation, and all you want to do is pull that clip out until it clicks, like so. Go to the bottom one, same again, nice and easy, and all it does is pulls off like so. Same on the bottom. Get your new strut, exactly the same design, all you've got to do is pop them on, like so. Right guys, so we've just fit the No More Yellow kit. It's a kit that we've made ourselves. It basically consists of a few LED bulbs, but to be honest, the results speak for themselves. As you can see, you've got nice crisp white light instead of the yellow on the other side. We're now going to move on to the oil and filter change. So first things first, drain the oil, move on to the oil filter, and yeah, we'll crack on. So now the oil is all drained, we're going to put the sump plug back in, but we're not using the OEM one, so that's the OEM one as you can see. We're going to use the gold standard plug, which has a tiny little magnet on the end, and that's just going to catch any swarf or material that's in your engine. So yeah, helping the engine life and well worth it for the price it is. Now we're on to the Steeda axle backs. Fairly simple to install. All you've got to do is put them up to the back box, mark them off, cut the old boxes out, and install these. Just wanted to give you a quick side-by-side comparison of the Steeda back boxes compared to the stock ones. As you can see, there's quite a bit of difference between the size of them. Not only that, but the weight of them is quite different as well. Obviously the Steeda being the lighter of the both. Not only that, but you get these lovely tips that look really well when they're poking out the back of the valance. So yeah, let's crack on and get these on. Right then guys, so we're now on to the closed Steeda cold air intake. I'm just going to show you quickly, roughly how to put it together. So yeah, we'll get cracked on. When you're swapping your MAF over from your stock air intake to your Steeda air intake, you just need to be mindful that the screws are different from the OEM. So use the Steeda ones that are provided, which are the little ones here. As you can tell, the threads are different and it will cross-thread and not see it wrong, and it'll just give you all kinds of problems. So yeah, just a quick one for that. So all the parts are now installed. We've put it on the dyno, it's over to D for tuning. So yeah, let's get on with it and we'll see what power she makes. Dee's finished on the dyno now. She's made some good figures, as you can see. Before it was 361 and now it's moved up to 394 wheel horse, so yeah, good going. The customer's been in, he's been in the dyno and watched the power run himself. He's happy, but he's wanting more noise. So yeah, we're gonna get it back off now and fit a H-pipe, and yeah, it's gonna be loud, so let's crack on. Right guys, so everything's fit to this car now. It's been on the dyno, we've got the noise, we've got the power. Let's give it back to the customer to enjoy. We'll see you in the next episode.